since we can print out, right, the board here with pieces, and we can also draw the empty board, right, like this. Let's run it. Yeah, this our empty board. Now the natural step, next step is how can we, right, draw pieces on the board. So to get ready for our future, like move piece, right, drop piece. Okay, so our strategy is we follow the model view control model MVC design pattern. So this guy is our control. Yeah, this guy is our model. Okay, and the model view controller. This is our controller view controller. So for MVC design pattern, right? Our model is Connect4Game. That's the logical object. The object of that, and the view is our canvas view or board view. Board view, right? Do we have board view here? Yes, board view is for the UI, right? And the controller is this guy. View controller. Yeah, of course we can rename that to something like ConnectFourGame view controller. Yeah, but anyway, so this is the middleman for this design pattern. Model and view normally cannot talk with each other. So the middleman will hold two like references, right, to the model and view. Let's create a model. So this will be our singleton of our game engine. So var game data type, of course, is Connect4Game. Let's create one here. For game. Yeah. So what about the view? View, we have to control drag from our main storyboard. So okay. So hold on Option key and click main storyboard. Yeah. Let's try to, well, it's okay. This is our game view, right? This one, board view. Yeah. Let's control drag from here to somewhere like that. So hold on Control key, drag, and put our view here. Okay, here. Stop. Wow. Yeah. So it's our board view, right? BOARD, board view. That's our view object. Cool. Now we can close that. So now there's a pieces, right, set inside this one, right? That's we can hold on Command key, click, jump to definition. Yes, here you see we have our, sorry, not this one, I mean this guy, our game engine. Okay, so jump to definition, we have a pieces, right, set. And now our strategy is we'll keep a shadow container, right, in the view side. So let's make a copy of that and put it inside our view. So here, this is the shadow. Okay, let's make this explicit. So shadow pieces, it means this one will always follow the update of our single copy in the game engine. Okay, so how to do that? We'll go through the view controller. So here is the entry point of our program, like when view did load, right? So we'll do something like that. board view dot shadow. No, that's command B to trigger the compiler to compile, right? So shadow, yeah, shadow piece equal to game dot pieces, right? So after that, we can force a repaint of our view. So board view dot set needs display, something like that. But now this one is empty, right? So that's so for testing now. So for testing, right? That's insert 2 pieces, okay? But we already have the similar code here. Let's make a copy of that here. Yeah, so game, we have 2 pieces there. Let's make a copy and put here. For testing, we insert 2 pieces there. Now, the shadow will contain the 2 pieces, right? Now, but when we run it, we see nothing here. Why? Because we don't have the code ready, right? So let's go to the board view. We don't have we don't have code, right? We only have a draw empty board here. So let's create our, let's clean up this one. Okay, let's create a draw pieces function. Okay, function draw pieces. Okay, parameter no. Let's keep it here empty, and we'll call after we draw piece, right? Draw pieces. So how do we draw that? We'll go through this container one by one, right? So for loop. So item, yeah, piece in pieces, right? Shadow pieces, yes. So now, because every piece contains its information about the location and its color, so we know how to render each piece. We need to draw a circle. So something like that. Oh, maybe we can we can abstract this code out, so the logic can be reused here. Let's do it. So let's keep this empty here now for now. And so this is called refactoring. Let's get this out. So let's create a function like draw circle, right? Here, the location is our column and row. Okay, so COL, we'll draw a circle here for piece or for the empty board circle. So column int, row int, and color. Do we need color? So the color will be so this one we don't need any color. Oh, white. Yes. Okay, so let's use this color. Let's use UI color for this one. UI color. No, we don't need to return value. So now let's move this one, cut to here. Then we'll call this, right? Draw circle. So column is column, nice. Row is row, color white, right? UI color dot white. Let's run it. Yes. Let's try it, okay? Change it to red to see what happened here. So make sure. What? Oh, sorry. Yes. So that's good if we need to do the testing, right? So we'll use color dot set fill, right? Now try it again. Yes. Now we can change back to white. Run it. Yes. And by the way, we don't need this one because the Swift, the Xcode can figure out what's its type. Run it. Now, let's do this. Try to draw a piece, right? We can, draw a circle at piece dot colon and piece dot row, right? Color. Color. How to do that? That's interesting. So based on piece dot is red, right? If it is, we use a ternary here. If it's red, then we'll use red. Otherwise, we'll use yellow. Let's give a try. Wow, gorgeous! You see? Cool. That's it for today. See you next time.